This is Lara and
Leah, and today we're about to get slime. Are you ready for the slime bucket challenge? My Kawaii family tagged us to do this challenge. I want to say thank you to Simply Kids for sending this awesome package of slime bucket challenge. If you want to get your own, make sure to check out simplykids.com to do the slime bucket challenge. And it's an awesome cause because it's action for children.
Yeah.
So you're gonna help a lot of children out there doing this awesome funny challenge. So, okay, before we start, we wanna nominate Gabriela Damari Show. Are you ready? We wanna do Kids Toys and Joy. Are you ready, girls? And we wanna do Fizzy Toy Show. Bucket challenge. Okay, this is a good cause, guys. So you should do the slime bucket challenge. Are you ready, kids? Because now it's your turn. Oh my goodness, look at this. Are you ready, Lara, to get slime?
Yeah.
Are you ready? Okay. Here we go, Lara. Ready, Lara? Go. Okay, let's bring Liam.
Yeah. No, not me. Yeah.
Okay, ready, set, go! Woo! Put your feet down! Okay guys, I hope you like this video. We got super slime and we're so happy we could help action for children. So thank you so much everybody for watching, and make sure to check out the other channels we tag so you can see their fun doing the slime bucket challenge. Bye bye!